In today's quick tutorial video, let me show you how to use Instagram direct messages. The way that you start off a direct message by heading over to this icon on the top right of the screen. Now once you're inside of this section, what you can do is try searching for people that you're trying to message. You can either tap on this search bar or tap on the pencil icon on the top right or search for the account's name or the person's name that you're trying to message. Once you're inside of the chat, you can either send in text messages or add in photos or videos from your gallery as well. If you tap on this icon right here, you'd be able to select videos or photos. You can also send in different stickers by heading over to the stickers section. But if you just want to send a text message, you can type it in and then hit send. Now you can also turn on something called a disappearing message, which means the message will be automatically deleted on a set period. If you swipe up in this section, the disappearing messages now have been turned on. It says right here, new messages will disappear for everyone in the chat after a set time. So you can just tap on OK. And the messages will disappear after 24 hours once everyone has seen it. Any message you send after the disappearing option has been turned on, this message will be automatically deleted once the 24-hour mark hits and once the other person views it. So this is a nice feature. You can just swipe up and then turn it off as well. So that is the way that you use the Instagram direct message. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more informative videos just like this.